What's poppin', chef? It's Dynamite, and in this video I'll be showing you some VSTs that produce 808 and bass sounds, and a VST that show you some kick sounds as well. And I think these VST sounds really good on Jersey club tracks. Now I'm gonna show you what I've done so far as a little Jersey club track right here. Nothing crazy. Now, the first plugin I wanted to show you is a FL native plugin. It's called Flex. It's free for all FL Studio 20 users. Now, if you go to the mobile tune 808 bass section, they have 25 presets for you to choose from, and you can choose some to your liking. You can customize them. Right now, I got the flattened sound. Oh, wrong one. As you can see, as you play it, it shows the analysis right here. You can compress it, you can saturate it, crush it, drive it, add a stereo field, and modulate it. You can do a lot of things. I think it's a really underrated plugin that FL comes with. Now, I'm gonna show you what I did with it on the Jersey club track. Now it sounds really good. Now let me play another one. Let's say with the synth blasted. Yeah, wait, synth blasted. Let's see what that sounds like. Now let's go with boosted. And one more, modulate. If I turn up the limiter, what it sounds like. These are all good sounds, and there's a lot more sounds to choose from, but I'm just showing you the 808 section so far. Now, this is completely free for FL users. The next one's another FL native plugin. It's called 3X Oscillator. In this one, I shaped the sound, the envelope, so it sounds like this. Now, I shaped it to correspond with the kicks I already have in my Jersey club drum loop. So with it together, it sounds like this. Now I think the 3X Oscillator is a very powerful tool as well, but you have to control it more, unlike the Flex. See, if I turn up the envelope, it's just a bass line, and I changed the type of synth as well. I mean, it sounds good too, but depending on what you're aiming for, it may be not what you're looking for. So if I change the sound to this, I mean, it's cool, but it's not what I'm looking for. The different shapes. 3X Oscillator is a very handy plugin. I feel like putting this on top of a kick, the right kick, gives it the oomph. Now, this is Citrus. Citrus is another plugin by Image Line, and it comes free for FL Studio as well. Now, this is more of a bass sound, and I will show you what I've done with it. Now, I like Citrus, it's more powerful than 3X Oscillator, There's a lot more things you can do with Citrus unlike the Oscillator. As you can see, there's a lot of presets to go through. The bass sections are right here. Right now I have the Deep 3 on, but if I go to, let's say Satan FM, let's see what that sounds like. It's not my personal choice, but I know some Jersey Club producers would love that sound. Especially the old Jersey Club vibe. Use it to your advantage. Now Raw Kick, anyone can get this, but it's a paid plugin by Rob Paper. Is that his name? I think so. There's different types of kick. It's a synth type of kick, and there's different banks you can choose from. You can make your own kick as well. When you open one of the banks, it lets you know that some of these sounds are really loud. As you can see, warning, a loud bank. I'm gonna show you what these sounds like. These sounds are really good for drum and bass, but I feel like Jersey Club could take advantage of this as well if used properly. Now, let me show what these sounds like with the rest of the track. Now, without the drum loop, it sounds like this. I feel like this plugin doesn't get talked too much about. I don't know why, but it's a really good plugin. Tons of sounds to choose from. It's very complex. There's so much things you can do with it. I think the more knobs, the better ideas that may come out of this. Sub Boom Bass 2 is a brother of Raw Kick. It's unlike Raw Kick, this is a bass plugin. It's also paid as well. So I'm gonna show you what I've done with it. Now I'm gonna go to another preset, just a random preset. Let's go to G-Funk 3. I think like these sounds will sound really good for like bridges, intros, outros. This plugin's really useful too. That's it for today's video. I showed you 5 plugins, 3 free ones and 2 paid ones that you can try out for FL users. Let me know if you want an Ableton one. And I've been thinking about doing a Acid Pro video. If you want those, let me know in the comments below. See you in the next one.